Okay, next video. It's our good pal, screen share. Entheos. Entheos shines. When I see Entheos shine, he's a ray of light. Whoa. Hang on to your hat because Supreme Court of Justice, Scottish Gate. And everything gate at the end is kind of like, Watergate, Clinton Gate, Email Gate, Pedo Gate, Supreme Court Gate is about to explode. Now, he wrote this May 28, 2017. More about this soon. Hint, Trump will replace all but one judge before leaving. Well, we know he's not leaving this year. He's getting reelected. He's getting reelected. And he also replied in his own thread back then in June 1st, 2017, update, Justice Roberts is not who he seems. Showing up unannounced to meetings was just compared to Officer Pete Davis, unlawful entry. So this is that dude. This Entheos, which has not made very many tweets. I mean, he's made a bunch of tweets, but not very many that were like, where he was basically telling it, like, he comments, he replies, that kind of stuff, but he'll put one out there sometimes. Not that many. He's been doing this for the last 3 years. Where, holy crap, dude, he just said, like, mark the date down, May 29th, 2020. Thousands will be arrested. The other one where he said the whole Supreme Court would be, or justices, something about justice would be all changed or whatever. Something like that. I forget his tweet now, but so he's saying Trump will replace all of the Supreme Court except one judge before leaving. Now, if you know you're getting reelected twice, you're not leaving to get reelected. You're not leaving at all. You're going to keep staying right and putting right in office. Stay put. So when this guy tweets, now I know. I wish I would have known this a lot long ago, but now I know. You better listen. He's been telling us some stuff. So, remember that guy Mark Taylor, the prophet they call him, Mark Taylor. Used to be a firefighter or whatever. He said, the Lord showed me, first, I think he said 2 or 3 Supreme Court justices would be picked by Trump. He said, nope. Then it was 5 or something. He said, no, he's going to replace 5 before he leaves office. He's going to replace 5 justices with good people. I thought, wow. Okay. He was also the same guy, Mark Taylor, that said, when 2 former presidents die, the remaining 3 former presidents will be indicted. Papa Bush is gone. Jimmy Carter, again, geez, how long can he last? He's in bad shape. Broke his hip twice, his rib or something. He's old. He's going. That would leave the 3 ones that I definitely would want to see go away. Barack Obama, little Dodo Bird Bush Jr., who brought us the effing Patriot Act, and of course, Bill the Criminal Clinton. So, more info from that guy. Just, that's it. Take care.